Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your YouTube channel from your mobile device. And without any delay, let's start our tutorial video. First, hop onto your YouTube account and select those profile icon on top of your right, and you can see the option manage your Google account. Just click that option. Now go to the option data and privacy. You can see that option here. Just click here and now scroll down a little bit until you find the option delete a Google service. Yeah, you can see the option. Just click that option. Now all you have to do is give your password and click next. Now you can see the YouTube option and the delete button on the right corner. Just select that delete option. Now you can see the two options that I want to hide my channel or I want to permanently delete my content. If you can choose any of this. If you really want to permanently delete your content from your channel, just select this option and your channel will be deleted permanently. And that is it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this, consider subscribing to my channel. See you on next.